everybody, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Maggie, if you didn't already know, and today I'm going to Knott's Berry Farm with my two best friends. Their names are Michaela and Anna, and you've already met Anna if you've seen my main channel video, but I thought I would vlog today because it's going to be an interesting day, and Michaela's about to come and pick me up right now, so I'll be on my way soon, and then Anna will come later and we'll meet up with her, and it will just be a really fun day, and I'll vlog throughout the day, so yeah. Okay, we're here at Knott's and we're about to go into Silver Bullet. It's like right over there.
My name is
As you can hear the screaming, this is Michaela.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go on the ride and
Oh, there it is. Here we go. Montezuma's Revenge. It's about to come back right now. Woo! Let's go there.
I'm very excited to go.
Oh my gosh, there's probably like no line. Okay, so now we're going on Jaguar. I feel like this entire vlog is just me saying, okay, now we're going on this, but we'll record this one.
Yeah.
It's super hot, so we're sweating. And it's super loud.
Ice cream.
Boom chocolate. Wow. Great view. Oh
my god.
Oh my god, I'm scared. There's a gun.
Around these parts. Bringing this wanted criminal Ox Mayfield on through here. I'm gonna take him to trial.
Are y'all with the newspaper?
Yes.
Okay, take these photographs to the newspaper, show them what happens in this town. You don't even get accused of a crime or read your rights or nothing. They just tell you, put your hand up and they take you to
Have you seen
jail.
your own wanted poster?
No, is it good?
I mean, it's a long list of accusations.
Well, how do I look? That's the important part.
I'm the owner of the newspaper.
Y'all in the army?
Some of you are.
Thank you for your service.
What'd he do?
Robbed the bank, he's convicted of bank, murder, and fraud violations.
Yikes.
We can't unless the sheriff's
Don't venture out on the streets without anything heavier than my burrow building.
We're on our way to go to the restaurant that we're gonna eat at, and we keep having conversations with like the Ghost Town Alive people or whatever, which is like the people who are like paid to act here. And we keep talking about this like prisoner that was in the train, which you saw in the clip before, and he's supposed to be in this jail cell, but he isn't, so he probably like escaped or whatever. And there's supposed to be a show tonight at 5:30 about it, So hopefully we'll go and record it. So we just got off like a few rides. We went on Silver Bullet and like a few like kid rides and like just
some chokers too, but
yeah,
she has hers.
Mine is somewhere in my backpack. I'll show you later. But we're just sitting and we're right in front of Calico Mines.
We're waiting for Anna to come in
It's
a little bit.
3:11, so we're waiting for Anna to come and she'll be here soon. So
we're gonna go and eat. So we'll be filming right at the eating place.
we're gonna go and get Starbucks. We're gonna go out of the park and get Starbucks and then come back in and then get food. And then go on more rides because Anna would be here. So yeah. Pineapples. So Anna's here now, and we're about to go into Ghost Rider. Hello, Michaela. It's Michaela's first time.
She needs this for her vlog.
Was kind of all over the place. I just wanted to document me and my friends going to Knott's Berry Farm. It might have been a little shaky and a little random, but I thought it came out pretty good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you want more vlogs from me, then don't forget to go down below and give this video a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what main channel video I should do next. And also, you can go subscribe to my main channel. I was about to say follow, but I didn't. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.